Okay, so it's very early morning on the day we finished section 9. We're at Waterfall Gorge campsite, but I don't think we quite made the campsite. I think it's further up that way. It's quite foggy this morning, rained all night. This is a water hole though where we can get some water. And Leo there is just filling up the life straw bladder. We'll filter it. But I think the main campsite's here up and over the gorge, but we didn't want to. It was pouring rain when we got here. We just wanted to get the tent up as quickly as possible near a water source. So this is where we camped last night. We've pretty much packed up this morning. Just the tent's just the bottom of the tent's just saturated. So just packing up and getting ready to head to Serpentine Chalet Dam. Okay, so the sign was just maybe like 50 meters above us, Waterfall Gorge campsite. We've got 14 kilometers to go until we get to Serpentine Chalet Dam. And it's sort of just very undulating today, but shorter in terms of distance and no big climbs.
So the sun's going to pierce.
Yeah.
It's incredible to see like you have the clouds and you can see the start of Sonder
We've got little patches of sun here and there. Got about 9 kilometers to go. So just under, I think, 4.5 kilometers en route to Serpentine Chalet Dam. About 3 kilometers from Serpentine Chalet Dam. There's a lot of fresh wallaby scat, so hopefully we might see some wallabies here. But the weather's starting to turn to blue skies and it's not so cold, so yay! Oh yeah. Okay, so we just finished crossing the Innerlenga Pass. It's up through those mountains there. Alright, so we're finishing the final part of section 9 of the Larapinta Trail. Alright, so we're just making our way on this little path, and we have 2 kilometers to go to Serpentine Chalet Dam and the end of section 9. Okay, we made it. End of section 9. We were at Serpentine Chalet Dam campsite on the Larapinta Trail. We're the first ones here for the day. You can see that's the section we've just completed. And these are what the shelters look like. They've got water tanks on either side. Usually close by there's a toilet. You can see that one down there. And they've got platforms where you can sleep. And and usually these cupboards here have like people leave excess food, but they also have, oh, this one's broken. They usually have boxes here where you can recharge, but yeah, it's completely been ripped out and there's no there's nothing there.
Been tried.
See, normally, excuse me, honey. Normally, if they're still blue, you can recharge. But yeah, oh, actually, I don't think it's been. Yeah, so I think this charging station's a bit buggered. Yeah. So just around the corner from the campsite, you've actually got the Serpentine Chalet Dam just up there. You can see the concrete dam wall.